Well, good evening and welcome back in. A nice sunny evening for us here after a nice warm last day of summer. 84 the current temp here in Lexington. Most of us got into the mid, even upper 80s here in some spots in the northern half of the state today. Winds coming in out of the northeast are going to cool us off a little bit though as we head into the weekend. Fall is finally here for us into the weekend. A little breezy on Saturday, but some warm highs, cool lows, and more sunshine than cloud cover is going to continue to be the theme for us as we go into this weekend. The fall equinox is tomorrow morning. 2:50 a.m. marks the official start of fall. The thing that we really notice here is that we're losing about 2.5 minutes per day of daylight, and the sunset is going to become before 7 p.m. by October 16th. So only a few more weeks of those later sunsets. We're going to continue to see the weekend forecast shape up to be nice and warm. Looking at the low 80s both days. A little bit more sunshine. We overachieved a little bit here today, but even as that tropical system makes its way into the Carolinas this weekend and brings us some gusty winds, we're probably going to keep those temperatures a little on the warmer side. We are going to see tomorrow as we get into the day some wind gusts upwards of 20 to 25 miles an hour out of the northeast at times. That should keep those temperatures slightly cooler than where we're at now, but it's not going to be dealing with the real cold temps or the rain that is coming off of Tropical Storm Ophelia as it gets closer to making landfall. That's the system we're watching to the east. We've got this line of clouds and some spotty showers in the central plains, but we're going to be sandwiched between the two things as we go through this weekend, keeping us pretty consistent. That storm is going to make landfall sometime early tomorrow morning and into the afternoon, crossing into Virginia, weakening as it does so, moves to the northeast and just becomes a low pressure center once again as it makes its way into the New York area by early next week. What we're going to be watching is how that affects us here. It makes landfall 7 a.m. We've got some cloud cover starting to inch into Kentucky, but those clouds that were in the plains are sandwiching into that too. So we're going to have this wall of clouds for some, and everybody else is going to be in that sunshine. Not anticipating any rain out of that system as we go into our Sunday either. Just another approaching storm set that's going to move southwest of us is going to bring us some clouds late in the day on Sunday. But either way, we're looking at some sunshine across the board and those warmer temps. Better chances for rain holds off early next week. What we're going to see is the low drop in out of the northwest. Late Monday, maybe a couple spotty chances for rain. But now it looks like as that thing sits and spins, Tuesday and Wednesday, we could get a couple of nice little soaks in there to bring us some much needed rainfall as we get into the middle of next week. And that's also going to translate to some of those cooler fall-like temperatures as we get into it. So tomorrow, fall, the first day, partly cloudy to mostly sunny and 81, keeping that going into Sunday as well. Clouds really pick up for us Monday. Rain chances start to really roll in Tuesday and beyond. Those temperatures start to drop back into the mid-70s as we go into the middle of next week, and we're going to get that fall feel really cooking for us as we go through next week as well.